Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is known as the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL. It's one of the excellent trucks out there on the market that you can get. This is Dynamite. DynamiteRC.com sells a kit, portable, very easy to carry with you, do your work on the go. This is the handle. It has a 7mm socket, and that's what we're going to use today to rotate this particular tire. So I'm going to show you two ways right now. I'm going to show you with the tool. You simply place on, make sure you rotate lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So as you remove the bolt, remove the tire, lay down, and you take this one here, do the same exact thing. It's like a cross thread. You can spin this off and loosen everything up and remove the bolt as well, and there you have it. Take note of the thread, how they look. This is the front, going to transfer it to the rear. Now I cannot do a regular tire rotation because if I do onto the other side, the threads would go the opposite way and then the tires won't match in the thread or tread wear. Now let me show you something before I put on, so this way you can get an idea why my hubs are not falling off the little slider pins. This is a aluminum hub with a grub 1.5mm attachment. It locks it into place so you don't lose anything. One of the excellent things to get. Just match up your hubs, line them in, lock them into place. You don't want to cross thread anything, so don't overly tighten. So there it is going on. Just simply put it back on the same exact way. And you want to make sure you hold the tire so nothing else moves on this. Don't overly tighten, just make it tight enough. Same thing when you do the back, line up the back hub to the matching part. You can take the nut, try your best to get it in there to start to thread it. If you have troubles, then you can use the tool for it. So there I am starting the thread. I grab this tool, I simply spin it on, I hold the wheel and I use my two fingers, a lot easier than the handle. So this is tight, no more. Just want to make sure that is tight, no more. Excellent tool to have. It's got its markings, 7mm, 10mm, 17mm, 8mm, and he's got some type of threads which I have no idea what they're for. Maybe to thread things, who knows. Grab one of these tools and then the micro ones. You'll be very happy to get them. Remember, rotate your tires. Have a great day, everybody.